When you stock instruments from MIRC, you are getting retail-ready instruments. What does that mean? It's really simple. You are getting instruments that have been professionally inspected, refurbished, and adjusted so you can be confident they are ready to go when you hang them in your showroom. MIRC has been in business for over 3 decades, and in that time we have forged strong relationships with some of the largest instrument manufacturers in the world. We work with these manufacturers to process their returns as well as other instruments that require extra care. In many instances, these guitars were returned for minor cosmetic flaws, small setup issues, electronics issues, or other small imperfections that are easily fixed. That's not to say we're afraid of heavy repairs here. Quite the contrary. We are just as comfortable at resetting a headstock that snapped off in shipping as we are doing basic setups. We also have a full paint department that can handle everything from small touch-ups to full custom instruments. As you can imagine, it would be very difficult for any manufacturer to deal with instruments that are being returned to them. After all, they are in the business of building and shipping new instruments. When there is a problem, that's where we step in and give these instruments the time, attention, and love they deserve. MIRC employs one of the largest teams of certified guitar technicians in the industry. Our techs complete a rigorous training and apprenticeship program, and some have been with us for more than 20 years. Each one of them is a musician with the passion and drive to make each instrument its very best. There's a lot that goes into making our instruments retail ready, and we carefully go over each instrument to make sure that all issues are addressed. There is much more to our process than just what happens at the tech's bench. Every guitar goes through 2 multi-point inspections, one at intake and again before it's made available to our dealers. That entire journey is tracked through our quality control system. Whether you take an instrument in on trade or you buy one directly from a customer, you are never 100% sure of the history of that instrument. When you purchase instruments from MIRC, you can feel confident that you know where it came from and the people who lovingly worked on it. This means less time spent getting instruments ready for sale. You're not gambling on condition or playability. Until it leaves your store, all repairs performed by the MIRC staff are warranted for the life of the instrument. Whether you run a pawn shop, music store, or an online store, MIRC acts as an extension of your staff, delivering ready-to-sell guitars straight to you. Guitars from MIRC are instruments you will be proud to list and display, and your customers will be excited to own.